Good morning, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. If you're new to my channel, like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Now, I had checked my YouTube channel this morning because I always go and check to see if you guys are viewing the videos, if you're liking them, if you guys have comments, you got questions, you want me to answer. I'm always checking my YouTube channel. So I had got a question from one of my subscribers. They wanted to know how you go about promoting these products from ClickBank and Traffic Denomination Network. These are free affiliate marketing programs. You can promote them almost anywhere. But I'm going to show you the way I do it because it's a free method, and I know some of you may not have money to invest into paid ads because that's the popular thing now. That's what you do today. Nowadays, people are doing Facebook ads and whatnot, but me personally, I stay away from that just because I, you know, I don't even know how to do it, so I stay away from it. So I'm going to show you guys what you need to do. Okay, assuming you've already created your ClickBank account, it's free, by the way. Once you do that, create your ClickBank account, and you come over here to the marketplace. Okay, we're already in the marketplace here. You choose a product. Okay, after you've chosen your product, make sure let me show you how to do this real quick. So you guys, let's just say you go to education. I'm just showing you what you do. So you go to education and you click on this one. Or you click on promote. You click on promote and you click on generate hot links. And you take this link. And this is a long link, and Facebook is really, you know, just changed a lot. So on these long links. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this link and you're going to go here to this site, bit.ly.com. It's a link shortener. This is how you're going to keep track of your clicks, you guys. How many people are clicking on your links. I'm showing you this because these are all free. For those of you you want to go ahead and do paid advertising, you can. But this is free, and this is actually really popular. Okay, so here we are on my Bitly account, and as you see, I've gotten one click. See, just 2 clicks on the health, and yeah. So this is how you keep track of your clicks. If you guys want to use Bitly, it's a link shortener. So what you do is you take that link, you come over here, and you shorten it, and you take it to Facebook or wherever you want to promote it, and you just start promoting it. That's bit.ly.com, link shortener. That way, you won't get kicked off of Facebook or go on Facebook jail for promoting a long link. So what you do is you either can market from ClickBank or traffic denomination. You guys really should do. I believe this is fairly new. I only seen 2 videos on it on YouTube. So I kind of know a lot about CPA marketing and affiliate marketing with these. These are CPA affiliate programs, so I know a lot about them. But what you're going to do is you're going to come over here. You're going to go to Facebook. You can create a Facebook account. It's easy. It's free. And log in. Okay, so this is my Facebook page. What you're going to do is you're going to create what I like to call fan pages. I have 2 of them from 2 of the products I chose to promote on ClickBank. So I'm going to take you to those right now. And you want to make sure you're promoting consistently on your fan pages because that's how you're going to get the most traffic. Okay, so I chose the health and fitness product from ClickBank. It's called Flat Belly Fix. I really hope this answers your guys' question. Just because if you want to know how to create a Facebook fan page, my suggestion is go to YouTube and watch a video on it. Just because it's better if you guys just do your research and everything, because that's how I learned how to do this myself. As you see, I have a picture of an apple, and I found this on Google. Found this picture on Google. Very attractive picture. I actually got a audiobook about health on about weight loss from the library. It's called These 31 Weight Loss Rules to Live By, and I listed them here. And this is what I got from the audiobook. You guys can get tons of things to put on your fan page. Like, I'm telling you, this stuff is it's actually very attractive. So you want to be making sure you're consistently posting on your fan page. Just keep posting whatever you post. Like if you make a YouTube video, put it on here. If you find a picture, put it on here. A lot of people are trying to lose weight, and this is very motivational to them. Trust me, it will help. See, this is the video I made on the Flat Belly Fits product that I did. Okay, I made a video on YouTube and I posted it here. And then you want to create a button that you want people to. You want to put that link I told you about in that button and have them come here. So this is how you do it. When you want to create a button or add a page to your button, add a button, you come here and you click on, you put learn more, click on next. You add your link here. So that you take your link from ClickBank, you go to bit.ly.com, shorten it, bring it here, add it here, and then you hit finish. Okay? I already have a link, so I don't have to show you that. So what we're going to do here is we're going to test this button. So this is I created a Wix capture page here that captures emails. I don't want to send people directly to the product, so you want to create a capture page. So I created one here. So all you do, this is a picture of people running, exercising. So all you do is write a little question here, and then have them enter their email. And then hit view more, takes them to the product, they look it over. If they choose to buy it, you get paid. Okay? That's how that works. So that's my first page, and this is my second page. This is Learning for Kids. This is basically a product that teaches elementary school kids from 1 to 10 how to learn how to read. And from what I see this is a very, very popular product. I created this myself. This is my capture page. And they just enter their email, click on into the site, takes them to it. Okay, let's go home real quick. I want to show you guys another thing you can do. You guys can go to groups. And you can post in your groups. So for instance, let's just say I was going to post in here, which I'm not. Giving you an example. You come over here. Let me see. Hold on, my page is being weird right now. You know what, you guys? I'm going to have to do this in a separate video, but here you just type something up, you add it, and you post it, and wait 1 minute, and then post in another group. But that's all the time we have today. I hope you guys like this video. Like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos. Take care, you guys.